Hey guys, it's your friend Shaun here. Anyways, I went to Walmart today and I cleaned them out what little of the 2015-16 blister packs and these 2-pack boxes with the top rookies on them. They only had one of these with the 16-17 packs inside of them, top rookies there, so I figured I'd get that too just to clean them out. So anyways, without further ado, start cracking this sucker open. Start off with this blister pack here. And we start off with a Kevin Fiala Red Parallel Top Rookie Portrait. And we'll save the packs for last here. Start off with this, the 16-17 there. Actually, I don't think we can cut these open now that as I recall. Hopefully these boxes won't be too stubborn today. And so far they kind of are. Okay, got that. Okay. Top rookie Pierre-Luc Dubois. There, so. Got, oh, okay, it's Series 1 and Series 2, 16-17. Okay. We'll put that to the side here. Now the 15-16s. Okay, box number 1 here. Okay, we got a Matthew Tkachuk, top rookie. Box number 2. Okay, we got another gold Austin Matthews by the looks of things. Yeah, I got a bunch of those. And 2 packs. Come on, Connor McDavid. The last box here. Okay, you've got a Patrick Laine, regular top rookie. Right there. Okay, so we'll leave the Connor McDavid stuff up for last. We'll open the Series 2 16-17 pack first. Hopefully we can pick up some young guns at least. Got Franz Nielsen, Kyle Okposo, Nicholas Kronwall, and an Oscar Sundqvist young guns. And the rest is base. 16-17 Series 1 pack. This is Austin Matthews here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, Artem Anisimov, Ryan Spooner, Jake Virtanen, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, boy, it's my lucky day. Oh, boy, gotta love that. It even looks like it's in good condition. Austin Matthews. Oh, boy. Jeez, and just think, guys. I wasn't gonna bother getting that 16-17 pack. The only one left in the whole entire store that I could see, and it has an Austin Matthews Young Guns in it. Oh, that made my day. Oh, that's a great way to start box break off, let me tell you. Oh boy, there's this base here, and oh boy, wouldn't that be something else if I really have doubly good luck and I get a McDavid hit of some kind out of this stuff, a big McDavid hit. Okay, pack number 1, Jake Allen, Chris Kreider, Michael Camilleri. Okay, Colin Miller, Young Gun. the rest is base. Yep, base. Max Pacioretty, Johnny Gaudreau, Derek Pouliot, Jonathan Toews portrait. And the rest is base. Pack number 3. Yeah, it's funny because going to that Walmart was a spur-of-the-moment decision, guys, if you can believe it. I didn't plan on going there as the day started. I just figured I'd go to the McDonald's there in the Walmart, not too far away from where I work. And, yeah, I just figured in the morning, why not check out the Walmart? And maybe they have some upper deck stuff in there, and maybe I'll go chase after some McDavid anymore. So we had an old base pack last pack here, but, oh boy. Well, I'm a happy man right now. David Pastrnak, James Neal, Marc-Edouard Vlasic. Oh, okay. Bobby Hull, Shining Stars, Legends. And the rest is base. So what do we have here? 3 more packs. Might have to go get that Austin Matthews graded. It looked like it was in pretty good shape. Leo Komarov, Kerry Ramo, Matt Hendricks, and a Max Pacioretty Upper Deck canvas. I have to move this pen out of the way here just so it doesn't risk damaging my Austin Matthews. Okay, on to the next pack. John Klingberg, Brandon Dubinsky. Okay, we got a Young Guns here by the looks of things, so I'll leave this baby for last here. So, keep the suspense going just a little while longer. Okay, Joffrey Lupul, Jonas Hiller, Brian Boyle, and an Eric Stahl portrait. Okay, looks like it was a good idea leaving that last Young Gun for last. Okay, so we got Tyson Barrie there. Bo Horvat. Derek Stepan. Let's see if we can end this with this box break. Okay, yeah, there's one more base card. Sorry, guys. David Backes. Let's see if we can end this this box break with a huge bang here. Okay, it doesn't look like a McDavid. Okay, it's a goalie. Jean-Francois Berube. Well, not a monster hit, but I'll take it. It's a good to get a rookie. So, anyways, I'll recap here a real quick one. You guys here got an Austin Matthews top rookie gold. Patrick Laine, top rookie. Matthew Tkachuk and Pierre-Luc Dubois, top rookie. And the Jean-Francois Berube Young Gun, the Eric Stahl portrait, Max Pacioretty's canvas, Bobby Hull, Shining Star, Jonathan Toews portrait, Colin Miller, the Granddaddy, Austin Matthews Young Gun, an Oscar Sundqvist, and Red Parallel Kevin Fiala portrait. So, oh boy, this is gonna go to a case real quick. Okay, anyways, guys. You guys know the drill. That Matthews is probably going to go on eBay eventually, although I might get it graded here. But yeah, anyways, go check out my eBay page at 383 Shaun, or go to my blog on steamit.com at Shaun Giroux. Got the Facebook page at Shaun's Collectibles, and my Bittube channel at Shaun's Collectibles, all one word. And of course, don't forget to click like on that on my video here, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.